If you're anything like me and absolutely love pickled cucumbers, then you're going to fall head over heels for this recipe. Sandwich-style curry pickles. There's just nothing better than that sharp, tangy kick with a touch of mildly spicy curry lighting up your sandwich. I mean, I'm already daydreaming about it, so let's get right into it. First things first, let's make the brine. Of course, feel free to multiply these amounts depending on how many pickles you're planning to make. I ended up with 3 1-liter jars. Grab a pot and pour in 1 liter of water. Add 700 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once that's bubbling away, add 500 milliliters of vinegar and pop it back on the heat until the whole mixture comes to a full boil. Now, into your clean jars, toss in a few black peppercorns, some allspice berries, and a pinch of mustard seeds. Slice your cucumbers lengthwise into fairly thin strips. Though honestly, cut them however you like. This part is all about personal preference. Pack the sliced cucumbers into the jars with the spices. Try to fit them in nice and tight. Though let's be real, that doesn't always go as planned. Once the jars are packed, add half a teaspoon of curry spice mix into each jar. Whatever blend your local store has, just make sure it's tasty. Then, fill the jars to the brim with your hot brine and seal them up as tightly as you can. Time for the magic. Pasteurization. Pop your jars into a preheated oven at 125 degrees Celsius, 257 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 minutes. After that, carefully take them out and flip them upside down onto a towel or cloth. Tuck them in, snug like a baby. Yes, seriously. And let them cool down completely. Now comes the hardest part, the waiting. You can open them after 2 months, but if you ask me, let them sit for at least 6. Trust me, the flavor gets deep, bold, and absolutely unforgettable. Luckily, I had 1 jar left from last year just for this video. And oh wow, it's pure gold. Pro tip, you can totally swap the curry powder for other flavor bombs. Think gochugaru, a spoonful of miso, or a sweet and savory blend of honey and mustard. Experiment, get wild with it. That's the beauty of home pickling. It's your jar, your rules. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.